Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2018 Heartland Trail Runner 26TH toy hauler travel trailer. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. I do want to point out it's kind of windy today, so I do apologize ahead of time. Alright, we'll start at the ramp door here. The ramp door is rated at 2,500 pounds. Kind of show off that rating here. 2,500 pounds is what the ramp door is rated at. The opening into the garage area here from side to side is 6 feet 2 inches, and from the floor to the top of the garage door opening it's exactly 5 feet 10 inches to here, and from the gate here, or the garage door, all the way back to the entertainment center area, I've measured it out at 16 feet 5 inches. Give you an idea of that garage area, and then I'll walk around and walk into the living quarters area and show you the inside. The booth dinette here folds up against the wall, out of the way, pretty easy, and then this table comes down and this makes into one huge king bed, and the fabrics are going to be that ultra leather or leatherette finish, and it seems to be all in pretty good condition, pretty much excellent condition. The trailer is a little dirty, so, and I do want to point out there is a bug screen right here, and it is prepped for the backup camera. Go ahead and walk on the inside. The unloaded weight on this trailer, the way it came off the assembly line, is right here. 5,588 pounds. That is what this trailer weighs empty. Overall exterior length of this trailer is 30 feet 8 inches, and the exterior height to the AC unit is exactly 11 feet 2 inches. Let's turn the stereo down. I do want to point out the stereo is Bluetooth, MP3 ready. It has all the good stuff. Kind of zoom in on that. And CD and DVD. And that may have been an option. Your TV is going to be, of course, an LED flat screen. I'm guessing it's probably maybe a 32-inch flat screen. Show off that storage space. I'm not sure what they're calling the cabinets. Looks like a dark oak. And your hardware is going to be that brushed nickel finish. You have stainless steel appliances, microwave. We are not hooked up to 110, we're only hooked up to the owner's truck, so the microwave is not reading out. 3-burner gas cooktop. Front one is usually a high output. There's your stainless steel finish on your oven door. Looks like it's never been used. If I remember right, the owners have hardly ever used this thing. Stainless steel finish on the sink. Double bowl sink, and you do have a really cool Bowen style sprayer faucet. Pulls out and you have a little sprayer, which is neat. On your refrigerator, it's going to be a 6 cubic foot refrigerator with the stainless steel finish on the doors, and it's automatic. It's by Dometic. Show off that Dometic badge right there. Just turn it on. A couple hours later, you're pretty much ready to go with a cold fridge. I do want to point out on the floor, it's that looks like kind of a stone look on the vinyl flooring, and you do have tie downs all throughout. I can show you, there's another tie down there, and there's one in the rear, so I believe there's 6 tie downs. Yep, and there's one right back there, and there's the other one. You are ducted heat all throughout. And the furnace on this is going to be a 30,000 BTU furnace. Your AC, I believe it's probably going to be a 13,500 BTU AC unit. Show off that Coleman badge there. And this does have the quick dump feature. It does a quick dump, and once you get the camper cooled off, close off those louvers, and then you'll have ducted AC all throughout. And there's one of your ducts right there. And you do have LED lights all throughout. LED lights save you on your battery. And walk into the living quarters area here, the master bath. Nice glass enclosed shower, not just a curtain, which is what you'll usually find on this level of toy hauler. Usually they'll go cheap and just give you a plastic curtain. You do have a skylight up there, a little vent fan. Nice medicine cabinet, not just a mirror. Pretty cool. And while I'm here, I'm going to show you the monitor panel here. This is going to be your monitor panel. Tells you where you are on your battery. And let's see here. Yeah, battery looks like it's a little low. It's winter time, so freshwater tank. Freshwater tank is a 42-gallon freshwater tank. Your black tank or your toilet tank is going to be 35-gallon, and your gray tank, which is the sink and shower water, that's 35-gallon also. And you do have a 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. Water heater switch here for gas and electric, whether you're boondocking or you're hooked up to shore power. 15 minutes later, you've got hot water. This is your water pump. Pretty easy to figure out. Okay, walking around here, there's your toilet. Foot flush porcelain toilet or china toilet. And again, more storage. There's one of your AC ducts. Walking back into the master bedroom here. This is a queen bed. Queen bed does lift up. Now let's go ahead and show it. Got storage up underneath there. The mattress has never been used pretty much. Like I said, the owners have hardly ever used this thing. If I remember right, that's the only reason why they're selling it. Closets on each side. You do have, I do want to point out, 110 outlets on each side of the bed. So if somebody has a sleep app machine or wants to plug in any devices, they have that option. Walk around here, a little plug up there in the ceiling. That's for your TV, and you can get a TV mount and mount it up in the corner there if you want. AC ducting here. And oh, I do want to point out an actual solid pocket door. Sometimes they'll just give you like a little plastic accordion door, so it's definitely nice to have a nice solid pocket door for privacy. Okay. And again, all your vinyl flooring is that stone look, easy to clean. You can just sweep it all out. And oh, I do want to point out, you do have lots of storage off to the side. Nice kind of cargo netting in the garage area. Pretty cool look. And you do have night shades, and you do have the ram vents in the corner. That's a ram vent to get the fuel smells out, and you do have another one over here. So when you're traveling down the road, these ram vents, you open them up and it gets all the smells out, and also for safety. Okay. It's going to be your extend and retract for your awning. Your awning, I believe, is going to be a 16-foot power awning. Kind of back up here. It's in excellent condition. It might even be longer than that. That might be an 18-footer, but 16 to 18-foot power awning. It does have the integrated LED lights in the tube. This is where you want them. They're protected from the elements when it's stored or when the awning's rolled up. And I do check all the LED lights are working. Show off the color scheme on the front patio side here. Exterior speakers. cable hookup here. If you want to hook up a TV, there's a 110 outlet here. Show off that Trail Runner badge there by Heartland. I do want to point out this does have the enclosed underbelly, and I believe that was an option. So all your holding tanks are protected from the elements somewhat, so you can go into a little bit colder weather if you wanted that option. You have it. Power stabilizer jack, show that. That was an option. Power stabilizer jacks, keeps your trailer from rocking. Let's back up here. I just want to show out that front side here from the rear. All the decals are in excellent condition. The skin on this is the corrugated aluminum skin. It's a wood frame. I did check for hail damage. I did not find any issues. Again, I do want to apologize for the wind. Tinted windows. Not sure what the tint rating is. It might be 80% tint. This is going to be your freshwater fill, gravity fill. It's 42-gallon freshwater tank. This is going to be your furnace exhaust, 30,000 BTU furnace, more than enough for this trailer. This is going to be your plug. This trailer is 30 amp service. That's your plug. And this is probably going to be, yeah, that is your black tank sewer flush. That was an option. So you don't have to drag a hose inside and hose out the toilet tank. You can hook it up right here. This is going to be your hookups right here for hooking up your sewer hose. You do have an outside shower here. Hot and cold running water. City water fill, just hook up when you're camping at a campsite. It's going to be your 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. Yeah, it says 6-gallon right there on the little tag. 6-gal. And I do want to point out you do have front stabilizer jacks, power stabilizer jacks. Hey, there's your low point drains right there. Little switches right there, so it's easy to winterize. Let's back up here and show you from back front. Definitely, if a dealer was going to take this in on trade, I would say they would probably rate it a 10. It's pretty much excellent condition. Do have the diamond plating. I believe that was an option. Protects from rock debris coming up. Power hitch jack. That was an option. 2 40-pound LP tanks with cover. That may have been an option, not sure. Show off that Trail Runner badge there. Looks like it's in pretty much excellent condition. Again, there's your power stabilizer jacks, and there's your button for the front power stabilizer jacks. Again, I believe that was an option. The owners have this thing loaded down, but this is pretty much storage. Your garage area, I believe, goes all the way through almost, but this is going to be up underneath the queen bed. I think I got everything. If I didn't, I do apologize. Definitely a nice toy hauler. If you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.